group of eggs are being held hostage by Mrs. Windmill. She intends to bake a cake with them and is refusing to negotiate their release. The eggs made their way to the ICT suite in the lift. In groups to create a model that had a lot of air resistance. It would protect the eggs in their descent from the fire exit.
And then put the egg in.
Some fell swiftly to the ground and failed.
Yeah. Oh my god! Oh my god!
But some glided and succeeded.
It's dead.
Outside it.
Safe.
Oh!
Over there!
You wait for him.
Goodbye.
But some didn't get the idea of air resistance. Some eggs are very well protected.
He's cracked.
But still cracked open. But some plans didn't go well. In conclusion, this was even more help to learn about air resistance.